And now, the area's most accurate weather forecast with Storm Surge 7 Chief Meteorologist Steve Kersh.
Definitely been an active day across the high plains. Started off some thunderstorms this morning, and those storms continue now to the afternoon hours. Here's a look at Adobe Wall's live max radar with severe thunderstorms in a couple locations. One in the southeast Texas panhandle in and around the city of Childress. Could be hail up to the size of quarters, maybe even golf balls in the storm north of Childress. Another severe thunderstorms in Carson County, right on top of the city of Panhandle. We had some half-dollar size hail reported in that storm when it was off just to the east of the city of Canyon. Other strong thunderstorms located across the northwestern corner of the high plains around Clayton, extending back down towards Sedan. We'll zoom in on the southeast panhandle there, the severe thunderstorms north of Childress. That one's heading up to the northeastern corner of the county. Now, across the central panhandle, there's a strong thunderstorm just to the south of the airport. There's the city of Panhandle getting hit hard right now. Up across the northwest, these storms are decreasing a little bit in coverage and intensity from Sedan up toward Clayton. And they're all moving off to the northeast right now at around 35 to 40 miles per hour. All right, start by looking at our schoolnet sites on the central and north side of town. This is what's great about having 146 independent weather stations across the area, because as far as the rain today, one size does not fit all. Case in point, Lorenzo de Zavala Middle School, about 1/4 of an inch, but ACAL, St. Hyacinth Catholic Church, nothing, just a trace of rain. South side of town and down in Canyon, same thing. Amarillo High, just 1/100 of an inch, same thing at the junior high at Westover Park. Randall High School, a trace. You go just northeast of it, they had some pea-sized hail and the sun was shining there at the City View subdivision this afternoon. So, again, depending on where you live, either it rained a little bit or it rained nothing at all. Up toward the north and west, it's 50 degrees at Boise City, 49 at Cactus. They picked up 300 of an inch of rain from showers and thunderstorms this morning. Across the northeast, heavy rain in Lipscomb County. 3 sites had over an inch of rain, and our newest school net site, the King Ranch, had 1 1/3 inches of rain. In the southeastern Texas panhandle, raining hard at Childress. They picked up 11/100 of an inch so far. Some quarter-size hail in Wellington this afternoon, and they're at over 1/4 inch of rain. Across the west and southwest, almost 1/4 inch, just a little bit less than that. The GNC Hydro Farms north of Dawn, they're a cool 58, but down in Littlefield, it's still warm at 71. Plainview's at 73. Back at the King Ranch, 1 1/3 inches of rain. The high today is the current temperature of 49. Those winds light out of the north and east. All right, let's look at our weather headlines. And for tonight, we're talking about the threat of severe weather in southeast Texas panhandle. Cold and windy tomorrow, and believe it or not, with all this severe weather, 1 to 2 inches of snow from Clayton to Boise City. As this upper-level storm system rolls on top of the warm and humid atmosphere at the surface, that's what's caused the severe weather, especially in southwestern Oklahoma. Still a report of a tornado near the Fort Cobb Reservoir right now. It's been on the ground for almost an hour, indication that tornado could be fairly strong. Well, across the region, the computer model forecast shows the front moving off toward the east, almost all the severe weather to our east. 35 in the morning with a northwest wind 10 to 20 miles per hour. Then the wind increases to the 20 to 30 mile per hour range with a temperature of 41. That's going to feel like about 25 degrees when you factor in the wind chill value. Still going to be cold. The cloud cover decreases at 5 o'clock. The high tomorrow only 46. So this is going to be one of those forecasts. Severe weather in the southeast panhandle and snow across the northwestern panhandle and northeastern New Mexico. Don't you just love our weather around here? A few sprinkles of rain possible in Amarillo and Canyon. Again, we have some severe thunderstorms right now just to our east. Cloud cover in the morning, then we'll see some of that thin out in the afternoon, but definitely going to be a cold day when you factor in those strong northerly winds. So, Clayton, you start out the day with snow, maybe some rain in Canadian, then it all pushes out of here by tomorrow night. It's going to get pretty cold Wednesday morning, low at 25. We do warm up just in time for the weekend. In fact, Sunday's high will be around 72 degrees, something to look forward to there.
All right, thank you, Steve. Staying busy. Real quick, we've teamed up with Adobe Wall Stoneworks for giving away kitchen makeovers. It's happening November 23rd, but you sign up now to get into the drawing. It's at connectamarillo.com. Check it out.
And another little bit of a house cleaning for you on Wednesday at 1 o'clock is the EAS, the National Emergency Alert System. Everyone in the whole country is going to be part of this. We just want to let people know that it's coming up. It is a warning only, like the ones we have locally, but it's going to be on the national level just to give you a heads up that it's coming up Wednesday at 1 o'clock.
Sounds good. Well, speaking of storms, what Kersh has been talking about, our own Pro News 7 meteorologist Shelley Seitz.
And Daybreak anchor Meredith Keller, they're out. Well, they took Storm Camry and decided to leave Steve here without a car. And we're not chasing tornadoes today.
Yep.
Or the hope of tornadoes for them.
They're having a
Dinner
lot of
out
fun.
in open areas.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, if you've got a photo you'd like to share, go to connectamarillo.com. We'll be right back.